What if I told you that some college students are already earning money while still studying? Not after graduation, not after getting a job, but right now. And the crazy part is many of them are doing it with just 2 to 4 hours a day. But most students keep saying the same thing. I'm still young. I'm in college. I don't know how to earn money yet. So today I'm going to prove that excuse completely wrong. In this video, I'll show you 10 realistic ways college students can start earning money, even if you have zero experience. And trust me, if you try even one of these methods, you can start generating income at a very young age. So let's start. 1. Write and sell an ebook. The first and easiest way to start earning is writing an ebook. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to be a professional writer. Just choose a topic you love. It could be fitness, cooking, coding, gaming, study tips, anything. Then you can use tools like ChatGPT to help you create a book outline, chapter ideas, content structure. Once your ebook is ready, you can publish it on platforms online and sell it. People all around the world are doing this and making money from a single ebook. 2. Freelancing. The second way is freelancing. This means selling your skills online. And trust me, there is huge demand for simple skills like video editing, thumbnail design, blog writing, social media management, PowerPoint presentations. You can learn all these skills for free on YouTube. Just watch tutorials for a few days and start practicing. Many freelancers earn anywhere between $10 to $500 per project. And the best part? You can work from your home. 3. Homework help websites. Now here's something interesting. Did you know you can actually get paid for solving homework? Yes. There are websites where students from around the world upload their homework questions. And if you solve those questions and upload the answers, you get paid. You can answer questions related to mathematics, science, assignments, competitive exams. Basically, doing homework for others can become your income. 4. Online paid tasks. Another easy option is online paid tasks. Some websites pay people for completing small tasks like filling surveys, giving feedback, testing products, data entry. These tasks don't pay huge amounts individually, but if you complete multiple tasks daily, you can build a steady side income. And the best part is, you can do it sitting at home. 5. Content creation. Next is one of the most powerful options, content creation. Today, anyone can become a content creator. You can create content about blogging, technology, education, finance, fitness, product reviews. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram give huge opportunities. And here's a secret. At the beginning, it's okay to learn by copying successful creators. Every creator starts like that. Eventually, you develop your own style. 6. Mempage. Now, if you're camera shy, there's still a way to earn online. Create meme pages. Meme pages grow very fast on social media. Once they get a large audience, they start earning money from paid promotions, brand collaborations, sponsored posts. Some meme pages earn thousands every month. 7. Affiliate marketing. Another powerful income stream is affiliate marketing. This means promoting products and earning commission. For example, you share a product link. If someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Usually commissions range between 5% to 10%. And if you sell multiple products daily, the income can grow very quickly. 8. Creator management. Here's a method most people don't know about. Creator management. Many social media creators don't have time to talk to brands, so they hire managers. Your job would be contacting brands, negotiating deals, bringing sponsorship opportunities. Managers usually take 10% to 20% commission from brand deals. So if you close a $1,000 deal, you could earn $100 to $200. 9. Coding competitions and hackathons. If you are a tech student, this one is powerful. Many companies organize coding competitions and hackathons. These competitions offer prize money, internships, job opportunities. Even if you don't win, you gain experience, projects, industry exposure, and that can help you get better jobs later. 10. Domain flipping. The last method is domain flipping. This means buying domain names early and selling them later at a higher price. For example, if a new trend or name becomes popular, the domain related to it can become very valuable. So if you buy that domain early, you can sell it later for profit. Final advice. Now here's the most important lesson. Don't just try one method. Try multiple things. Because when you experiment, you discover what you enjoy, what you are good at, what makes money for you. Starting early gives you 3 powerful advantages. You learn real skills. You gain valuable experience. You develop a hustler mindset. And that mindset can change your entire future. If this video helped you even a little, make sure to like and subscribe. Because on this channel, we talk about money, skills, and smart ways to build your future. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep inspiring.